All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. A very quick tip for you guys. So if you want to remove these rocker panels, I'm going to show you how to do it in some very simple steps. So let's get to it. It is JD on 3. Let's go. So as far as removing this rocker panel, both panels are basically identical, and I'm gonna show you the one difference on the right side versus the left side. So I have a 2021 Can-Am Ryker. This is not the Sport or anything like that. It's just the Can-Am Ryker that came out in 2021, and I believe it was called the Ace. So what's very cool about these is that these are very simple to work on, and for those who are trying to take off this rocker panel, I just want you to know that there are these push pin clips, and mine are already out because I was doing some work. So you're gonna have some push pin. I have a push pin clip here in the front. If you come down to the bottom of the bike, you'll have one here. And then at the very bottom of the bike, you'll have one, and just make sure it's where I'm looking, you'll have one here. So that is it. So basically you pull those push pins out, and then when you want to actually take off the panel, there's a little lock. There's like a little locking piece in the front. It just pulls off. That locking piece is right here, and it clips into this piece of the frame here. See? So when you want to take it off, you can just unsnap it. Now this is the difficult part, and this works identical to the other side, but I'll show you the one little difference. Now when you want to actually take this panel off, you'll have to, and as you see, it's not all the way connected, but basically it'll be connected up here. I'll show you that connection point. Basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bend the panel, and you're gonna pull it off. Like I said, this was that connection piece that clips on here. Now, as far as the other side, it works the exact same way. However, when you're pulling this one off, you have to keep in mind that there's this little piece here. This piece likes to get caught on some of the wiring and some of the frame. So that's why it's a little harder to pull it out, but it all comes out the same. Just make sure, just remember that that little piece is there and it likes to get caught. So really that's it. I hope this helps you guys remove the panels or the rocker plates from the Ryker. Very simple to do. Just take your time and a little patience. So anyway guys, appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, you know what to do. Tap in, let's go.